welcome back to another video. So I know I'm looking kind of crazy, but bear with me, okay? There's a method to the madness. I have a beautiful V-part, and this is a treat, y'all. This V-part wig from Beauty Forever Hair, of course. Thank y'all for sponsoring your girl, I appreciate it. This V-part wig is actually straight, right? But you can wet it and you can wear it in a curly state. So you're pretty much getting two V-part wigs in one. If y'all hear my baby, sorry. So you're pretty much getting two V-part wigs in one. You can wear it straight, which I'm gonna show you guys, and then I'm gonna wet it on camera, and I'm gonna show you the wavy, and then I'm just gonna wave the whole unit. But I am so excited. When I saw it, I was like, I couldn't believe it. So let me go ahead and show you guys the details of this hair. Before we do that, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you're notified every time I post another video, because we are lit over here, okay? Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna stop looking like the first slave that walked. And we are going to get this wig on. So what I did an ankle braid here, ankle braid there, ankle braid here, ankle braid here. So I noticed my V-parts are 10 times more secure when I do that, and I absolutely love it. I don't know why I didn't do it before. I was lazy, but I was like, Misha, it's 4 braids, just do it. So anyway, so let me go ahead and show you this hair. This is beautiful 26-inch hair. Look how full this hair is, y'all. And I love that it has the texture, almost like the texture of my tape-ins that I like to wear, the silk press. So you still see the texture like black girl hair, but then it has a silk press feel to it. So it's not too silky straight. It actually goes very well with my texture when I just like blow out my real hair and straighten it. This will go perfectly. Of course, I would have to darken it a little bit, but this is the hair. So I had to do a tester. I was like, let me make sure, London! So I had to make sure this hair really curled up. Like, I was like, this hair is too straight. Like, this hair is straight. Ain't no way it's gonna curl up. So I did a little tester in the back. And y'all, look at this. Waves. So pretty. Look at this. I was like, ooh, I'm so excited. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this wig on. All the details of this hair or this V-part wig will be down below in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.
Drives me crazy. You're my baby, my lover, my lady. All night you make me want you. It drives me crazy.
So this is the first look. As you can see, looks very natural. And again, like I said, I love that this hair has texture because if you are natural or heat trained natural, you can still keep a little texture in your root and it still blends and it looks completely natural. So I love units that doesn't require me to put a lot of heat to my hair. So this is the first look, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna wet like the left side of my hair. We're gonna get it all curled up, and then we're gonna compare the straight side to the left side, okay? And of course I'm gonna wear it curly because I've been loving loose waves, curly hair. I can just put some mousse on my hair, wet it, and be out the door. No heat, okay? So this is the first look, okay? So let's go ahead and wet it. I have my water bottle here, and then we're gonna see the difference.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, y'all, I'm shook. I was a little worried at first because you gotta really get it saturated and you really gotta get it wet. If you already know you want to wear your hair in this loose wave, this curly pattern, go ahead and just like drench the V part under the faucet and just get it nice and wet, and then just put it on like this. But if you want to wear, I am shook. I've never had a V part like this. Beauty Forever hair, y'all come through again. Y'all look how pretty this curl is. It's like a beautiful soft loose wave, and you can always take your diffuser and you can just like diffuse it and make it even more curlier. But this is so pretty. This is like perfect for summer and spring. Like if y'all want to like have a V-part wig, you don't know what to get this wig, y'all, because like I said, you have two wigs, V-part wigs in one. Unbelievable. These curls are absolutely gorgeous. Look how well it blends with my hair. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm shook. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and wet the other side, and let's go ahead and get this whole head curled because I am shook. Definitely recommend this wig, V-part wig, 10 out of 10, 100%. All the information will be down below. Absolutely love this wig. So let's go ahead and wet the other side.
I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I am shook by this V-part wig, y'all. Y'all gotta buy it. Y'all gotta buy it. Y'all gotta buy it. And I'm not just saying it because I've been working with them for a while, but they never fail me. Like, they never fail me. They send me beautiful bomb wigs. This is perfect for summer, okay? Listen. Okay. Look how beautiful these curls are. I ain't got nothing else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, all the information to this V-part wig will be down below. along with the discount code, of course. Comment down below if you love this hair and if you're gonna purchase this hair, how you gonna rock it. Would you prefer it straight or curly? What y'all thinking, okay? And make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, Beauty Forever Hair. Thank you again for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.